Today we will do Suryanuloma Viloma Pranayama, activating our Suryanadi. You have to adopt Nasika Mudra with your right hand. So Nasika Mudra is fold your index finger and middle finger of your right palm and stretch your thumb finger, ring finger and little finger. Close the left nostril with the little and ring finger of Nasika Mudra. Inhale and exhale slowly through the right nostril only. Keep the left nostril closed all the time during the practice. One cycle of inhalation and exhalation forms one round. We are going to practice 11 rounds. Here the time taken for exhalation should be longer than the inhalation. Let's start the practice. Close the left nostril. Inhale through right. Exhale through right. 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 Relax. Feel your right nostril. Your Surya Nadi is activated now. Now let's move on to Chandranuloma Viloma Pranayama. Again adopt Nasika Mudra with your right hand. Close the right nostril with the tip of the thumb. Now inhale and exhale slowly through the left nostril only. Keep the right nostril closed all the time during the practice. One cycle of inhalation and exhalation forms one round. We are going to practice 11 rounds. Again, the time taken for exhalation should be longer than inhalation. Let's start the practice. Close your right nostril with your right thumb. Inhale through left. Exhale through left. 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 Relax. Feel your left nostril. Your Chandra Nadi is activated. Benefits of Surya Nadi and Chandra Nadi breathing, that is Suryanuloma and Chandranuloma. Suryanuloma helps in reducing the obesity effectively, and Chandranuloma Viloma help in increasing the weight. Those who have high BP can regularly practice this Chandranuloma, which reduces their high blood pressure. And limitations. For Suryanuloma Viloma Pranayam, people suffering from high blood pressure or any heart disease and underweight problem should avoid this practice. And for Chandranuloma Viloma, people suffering from obesity and any type of allergy should avoid it, because Chandranuloma Viloma completely cools down your body. Relax. Take a deep breath in, breathe out, relax.